Welcome back to Best Product Reviews. Camera quality is the entire reason most people buy a drone in the first place. That unmatched perspective from above, whether you're shooting a wedding, a real estate listing, a travel vlog, or just chasing the perfect sunset shot. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best camera drones of 2026, ranked specifically on image quality, sensor size, dynamic range, and video specs, rather than just overall flight features. One important regulatory note first. In December 2025, the FCC added foreign-made drones to its national security covered list, which blocks new DJI models from getting US authorization going forward. Every drone on this list cleared that authorization before the deadline and remains fully and legally available, but it's a landscape worth knowing about if you're shopping this category long-term. Let's jump in.
At number 5, we have the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you want genuinely serious camera capability in the lightest, most travel-friendly package available, this is the drone that proves sub-250-gram drones no longer mean compromised image quality. Weighing under 250 grams, the Mini 5 Pro falls into the lightest regulatory category in most regions, C0 in Europe and the UK, meaning far fewer licensing hurdles than heavier drones require. Despite that featherweight build, it packs a genuine 1-inch sensor, delivering real raw capture and image quality that professional photographers describe as holding up impressively even at A3 print size. Flight time reaches 36 minutes per battery, comfortably ahead of most drones in its weight class, giving you real time in the air to wait for the right light or reposition for a better composition. The one honest trade-off that comes with being this light, wind stability isn't as rock-solid as heavier drones, and strong gusts can genuinely challenge it more than a drone like the Mavic 4 Pro further down this list. But for photographers who prioritize portability and minimal regulatory friction above all else, travelers, hikers, anyone who wants to fly almost anywhere without a license, it remains the smartest starting point for serious aerial photography. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is perfect for travel photographers who need genuine portability, beginners who want to skip licensing requirements where possible, and anyone who wants real raw image quality in the lightest drone category available. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Next up is the Antigravity A1. This has become one of the most genuinely interesting camera drones released in 2026, not because it beats the competition on raw sensor specs, but because it fundamentally reimagines how aerial footage gets captured and edited after the flight. The A1's headline feature is a full 360-degree capture system, recording the entire spherical environment around the drone simultaneously, rather than locking you into a single framed shot decided in the moment. That means you can reframe, reposition, and recompose your shot entirely in post-production, long after the drone has landed. Genuinely useful for creators who want to experiment with different angles and compositions from a single flight, or who simply don't want the pressure of nailing the perfect framing in real time while also managing flight controls. This is a genuinely different approach to aerial photography than the traditional single-lens gimbal systems that dominate the rest of this list, and it points toward where creative drone technology may be heading in the coming years. It's not necessarily the pick for someone who wants the sharpest possible traditional 4K footage straight out of the drone. That's still better served by dedicated single-lens systems. But for creators who value flexibility and want to fundamentally change their post-production workflow, it's a genuinely exciting new option. The Antigravity A1 is perfect for creators who want maximum flexibility to reframe shots after flying, anyone experimenting with new, non-traditional approaches to aerial content, and photographers who want a genuinely different creative tool rather than an incremental camera drone upgrade. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Keeping it going with the Autel EVO Lite Plus. Given the current regulatory landscape around foreign-made drones in the US, having a genuinely strong non-DJI option matters more than ever, and the EVO Lite Plus remains the camera-focused alternative reviewers consistently point to. Autel builds this drone around a full 1-inch sensor capturing 6K video, genuinely higher resolution than most competitors offer at this specific price point, while pairing it with autonomous flight and obstacle detection capabilities broadly comparable to DJI's mid-range Air series. Battery life holds up well too, delivering a solid 40 minutes of flight time with a maximum range of 7.5 miles in obstacle-free conditions, figures that stack up favorably against comparable DJI offerings.
Unlike some manufacturers currently facing scrutiny in U.S. regulatory discussions, Autel notably manufactures some of its drones domestically, which matters specifically to buyers hedging against future import restrictions on foreign-made drone hardware. The honest limitation is that the EVO Lite Plus works with a single fixed focal length rather than the multi-camera flexibility found on drones like the Air 3S or Mavic 4 Pro. And its obstacle sensing isn't quite as sophisticated as DJI's more advanced systems, so it's better suited to open, less obstacle-dense shooting environments. But purely on sensor size and video resolution at its price point, it remains one of the strongest camera-focused alternatives to DJI currently available. The Autel EVO Lite Plus is perfect for buyers who specifically want to diversify away from DJI, given the current regulatory landscape, photographers prioritizing sensor size and 6K resolution, and anyone shooting primarily in open areas without dense obstacles. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
The runner-up is the DJI Air 3S. This remains one of the most balanced camera drones available in 2026, and for everyday creators who want genuinely strong image quality without stepping up to flagship pricing, it continues to be the drone most consistently recommended as the sweet spot in the category. The dual camera system is the real draw for photography specifically, a 1-inch primary sensor paired with a second 70mm telephoto lens, giving you genuine compositional flexibility that single-lens drones simply can't replicate. That telephoto option lets you compress distant subjects or capture tighter shots without physically flying closer and potentially disturbing wildlife, spooking subjects, or violating minimum distance regulations, a genuinely practical advantage for both photography and video work. Flight time reaches a comfortable 45 minutes per battery, and the 4K video output holds up impressively across a wide range of lighting conditions, from harsh midday sun to trickier golden hour scenes. DJI's advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing genuinely holds up in complex environments too, letting you fly with real confidence around trees, buildings, and other obstacles, while focusing your attention on composition rather than collision avoidance. For everyday creators, real estate photographers, and enthusiasts who want camera quality capable of legitimately professional-looking results without flagship tier pricing or bulk, nothing else currently strikes quite the same balance. The DJI Air 3S is perfect for everyday creators who want genuine dual camera flexibility, real estate and event photographers on a mid-range budget, and anyone who wants professional caliber image quality without flagship pricing. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
And the best one is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This is the undisputed best camera drone of 2026, representing a genuine, meaningful step up from the previous Mavic 3 Pro, and remaining the benchmark every other camera drone in this category gets measured against. The camera system is the entire story here. A flagship 4/3 Hasselblad-branded main sensor, delivering 100 megapixel stills and 6K 60 FPS HDR video with an adjustable f2.0 to f11 aperture for genuine creative aperture control, paired with a 48 megapixel medium telephoto for portrait-style compression and a 50 megapixel tel lens for long-range shots, all three lenses supporting 4K slow motion. Independent testing measures dynamic range at an impressive 13.8 stops, meaning the sensor captures meaningful detail in both shadows and highlights simultaneously, even in genuinely high-contrast scenes that would blow out highlights or crush shadows on lesser cameras. For serious post-production work, D-Log-M, 10-bit color, raw frame stacking, and dual native ISO fusion are all present, giving colorists and editors real latitude to grade footage exactly how they want. The redesigned 360-degree infinity gimbal replaces the traditional hanging gimbal design entirely, improving aerodynamics while enabling genuinely native vertical shooting, a real practical benefit for the social-first vertical video content that dominates so much of today's platforms. Battery life reaches an industry-leading 51 minutes, the longest of any consumer drone currently on the market. And front-facing LiDAR paired with 6 low-light vision sensors means the drone can genuinely see obstacles in the dark and even take off without GPS. One professional photographer running aerial workshops in Iceland and Greenland reports regularly selling Mavic 4 Pro files as wall prints, a genuine real-world testament to the image quality. At around $2,449 and weighing over a kilogram, it's a serious investment with correspondingly stricter flight regulations in some regions. But for anyone who genuinely can't compromise on camera quality, nothing else in the consumer drone space comes close. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is perfect for professional photographers and videographers who need the absolute best available image quality, real estate and commercial shooters who sell their aerial work, and any serious creator who wants the longest flight time and most advanced camera system currently available. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Thanks for watching. That's our top 5 best camera drones of 2026. Whether you're prioritizing portability with the DJI Mini 5 Pro, exploring genuinely new creative possibilities with the Antigravity A1, wanting a strong DJI alternative with the Autel EVO Lite Plus, hitting the everyday sweet spot with the DJI Air 3S, or demanding the absolute best image quality available with the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, there's a genuinely excellent pick on this list for your photography goals. And given the current FCC regulatory landscape around foreign-made drones, it's worth keeping an eye on how availability might shift for future DJI releases specifically, something worth factoring into your decision if you're buying for the long term. If this video helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe to Best Product Reviews. Drop a comment below letting us know what you shoot most and which drone you're going with. We'd love to hear from you. All product links with the latest pricing are in the description. Thanks again for watching and happy flying.